Hi guys, NAICS codes are a central part of government contracting. And so I did it again. I created a free government contracting tool, specifically an AI-powered NAICS code searching tool that I will walk you through in this video. This will make a huge difference in how you do your NAICS search. So let's talk briefly about what a NAICS code is. NAICS stands for North American Industry Classification System, and the reason it is a very central part of government contracting because it is the way the government uses to identify the product and services you want to sell to them. And it is also used to determine whether your business qualifies as a small business. So for each NAICS code, you have a size standard, which is either expressed in number of employees or in dollars. And it is the recommended way to search on sam.gov. I'll show you why. If we head down to SamSearch, click on contracting, advanced search. If we use normal keyword search, let's say I'm looking for plumbing services, then I will not get any contract. But if I go ahead and take a NAICS code for plumbing, as an example, this one, I go to product or service information, paste it here. You see that I got 16 results because each opportunity on sam.gov is tagged with a NAICS code. So knowing which NAICS code you are working with and which NAICS code to target will help you a lot by finding the relevant opportunities. And I mentioned in my previous video that sometimes a contracting officer may tag the opportunity with a different NAICS code, or sometimes they tag it with the wrong NAICS code. So you will be working a lot with NAICS code. And that's why while I was working with the traditional sites to find NAICS codes, such as census.gov, I found that it was quite hard. You had to be very specific. You had to really hit those keywords in order for you to find the things that you are searching for. I thought I could create something better. So I wanted to create a NAICS code search tool that is powered by AI. So you can just write your query in plain English and it will try to understand the context of your sentence. And it will find the relevant codes for you. And of course, it is completely free to use. Without further ado, let me show you how it works. I will make a very quick comparison. As an example, I have this query, cybersecurity consulting firm. If I go to census.gov and I try to search for security consulting firm, I get 0 results. And if I head to samsearch.co, resources, NAICS AI search, or samsearch.co/NAICS AI lookup, I can paste the same query here and you'll see I get a very clean search result with the NAICS code. I can just copy it, as easy as that, and now I am able to paste it. In addition to that, I get the sector, I get some examples, and most importantly, I get the size standard. So I know that this NAICS code has a $19 million size standard. If I want to see more details, I can look at those details, what the products or services related to this NAICS code. And if I want to dive deep into this NAICS code, I just go ahead and click on the link and I get a nice article describing everything about this NAICS code along with frequently asked questions. So this is a very, very, very intuitive way to search for things. Let's do another query. Let's do commercial plumbing. So back to census.gov, I got 0 results. If we do the same search on my tool, we see here that we get plumbing fixture, fitting, and trim manufacturing. And we have the size standard in number of employees, which is 1,000. I can click here, see all the details, and everything that I type here, it will be highlighted. So if I remove plumbing, you see that I only got commercial. So it makes it even easier for me to track the main keywords that I'm actually looking for. As said, this is a very powerful tool for you to find your NAICS codes, and I hope that you guys can use it and can benefit from it. If you want to try it out, you can visit samsearch.co/NAICS AI Lookup, and you can just write, oh, this tool stands out because it is AI powered. It has the size standard. You can easily copy your NAICS code, and this is something that I want to help out with. If you have a website where you want to have this AI NAICS tool, I can help you embed it in your website so you can use it on your website. I want to also mention that you can browse NAICS codes on SamSearch. So if you go down a bit, you see here that you can also browse NAICS codes by clicking here. So if you click here, you will get the whole list of all NAICS codes, and you'll also see similar details such as the size standard, the sector, along with examples. And you have everything here. You can click on it, read in more details about each NAICS code if you are interested. So this was a brief overview over the AI-powered NAICS search tool. And in the same way, this AI-powered tool solves the problem of finding the right NAICS code to you using plain English. SamSearch does the same thing. SamSearch is the AI-first government contracting platform which you can use to find federal, state, local opportunities. You can use it to summarize solicitations. You can use it to generate proposals all in one place. And I want to head to SamSearch real quick to show you how it solves the same problem the NAICS search tool solves. Because if we want to search for the same terms we tried searching for in the NAICS Lookup Tool as commercial plumbing, we see very quickly here that we got HVAC and plumbing installation opportunities. If I head back to sam.gov and search for commercial plumbing, I only get this result because I have the keyword commercial plumbing here. And I showed you that if we had another NAICS code, you will get more results. So SamSearch solves the same problem here, but we are talking about bids and opportunities. So you really want to use the best methods out there to find the opportunities that are tailored for you. And you don't have to second guess. And if you want to learn more about this opportunity, we can click on it. We can use the AI search to ask questions. And what will happen now is that SamSearch will analyze all of these opportunities and it will come up with the answer. So I asked it about the statement of work, and here we go. All materials necessary under the contract clarifies that the case of conflicts between small and large scale drawings, and so on. If I want to summarize any of these attachments, I can also click on summarize, and this will help me summarize the document also. Here we got the summary of the document with all of the main points. And here I get the history also, so I see all the updates that were made for this specific opportunities. And I have a lot of useful analytics. Here I have these similar opportunities. I can see similar previously awarded contracts. I can also find subcontractors via this tab also, which is very handy. So this was a quick run of SamSearch. If you are serious about government contracting, please check out SamSearch. You can head to samsearch.co and check it out for yourself. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Cheers.